Hey, good morning. I'm Dr. Nguyen with Healthy Feet Podiatry. So I got a gentleman here. He stepped on a nail approximately 1 month ago, and in the past 2 weeks, this little bad boy reared its ugly head. So, oh, the heck is that? Whoa. Tune in next week. Actually, tune in all the time. We got daily videos. Check us out on Healthy Feet Podiatry on Facebook. We also have a good, cool YouTube channel with a bunch of videos. So tune in next time, guys. Bye.
Hey folks, this video serves as a great reminder that it's important to have beautiful and elegant nails and to take care of your nails. So treat yourself to a 7-piece manicure set like this. This beautiful kit comes with 2 nail clippers, trimmers, multi-purpose scissors, an ear pick, cuticle trimmers, eyebrow tweezers, and an acne needle. There's an Amazon link below to the kit that's highly recommended by this YouTube channel. Go ahead and check it out and treat yourself to beautiful nails today.